Alright, this honestly is probably my 12th take of the day, so let's see if we can get this one right. Mistakes happen, it's alright. Um, so this video is the step further from my previous video where we were adding and subtracting decimals. Now we're going to multiply them. And I'm going to start with just giving you the steps to follow. Pause the video at certain parts. That will really help you to, slow it down. You don't have to do it all in one take. Pause this video. Do my steps as you do your steps for your problem. Okay. Um, just a quick how-to video, but follow these steps. It will help you. So remove the decimal completely. So if the number is 12 and 4/10, you're going to rewrite it as 124, and 3 and 2/10, you'll rewrite it as 32. Okay, so remove that decimal first. Second, count how many places to the right of the decimal point for each number. For 12.4, there's one place to the right of the decimal. All right, for 3.2, there's also one. Altogether, that makes 2. Okay, so I want you to take the total number for both parts of the equation, and then I want you to write that same number and circle it somewhere near the equation. Okay, so for me, I'm going to circle the number 2 because it's one place to the right here, one place to the right here. So I need to circle the number 2 somewhere close to my problem. I'll show you on the next example. I'll multiply the numbers without using the decimal. So 124 times 32, and then finally, you'll take that answer that you found for 124 times 32, and then you're going to start all the way to the right and move your decimal place however many you circled. So for instance, we said 2 spaces is how many times we need to move it. So let's look at what that would be like. So it's 12 and 4/10 times 3 and 2/10. I'm circling a 2 somewhere near my problem. So I could write it right here and circle it right there. That's just a reminder, okay, when I'm done, I'm moving it that many times back. Find the answer to the multiplication problem. So 124 times 32 equals 3,968. Then we need to start all the way to the furthest place to the right, or place value, and move that decimal over however many times we circled. Well, we circled 2, so that's 1, 2. That would make 39 and 68 hundredths. Okay, now let's do some practice problems together. All right, if you watch my other videos, you'll see a video called the turtle head method, which should help keep you organized. So I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to count how many places to the right for each decimal. So there's 1, 2 places here, 1, 2 places here. Altogether, that's 4. So I'm going to write a 4. And then I'm going to circle that 4. And I'm even going to write like a little arrow that tells me, okay, I need to move that to the left 4 times when I'm done with this problem. So now if you had more space, I would have you rewrite it without the decimal to begin with, but I just don't have that luxury right now, so it's fine. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 3 equals 3. And 1 times 2 equals 2, because 1 times any number equals that same number. If you remember the turtle head strategy, you are going to put the collar on and lay the egg. Okay? Now, move over to the next place value. 5 times 5 is 25. Need to regroup. 5 times 3, 15. 16, 17. Regroup. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Okay, put the collar and lay 2 eggs. We're moving over 2 times now. So before I start multiplying, I want to cross these off just so I don't accidentally use them again. 2 times 5 is 10. And I need to regroup there. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. And 2 times 2 is 4. These are partial products, so I need to add them. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 3 and 5 plus 0 makes 8. 7 and 2 makes 9. 1 plus 7 makes 8. And 1 plus 4 makes 5. Okay, now I need to start all the way to the right and move that decimal over, let's see, how many times? 4 places, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So my new answer would be sorry, my handwriting is pretty sloppy here. I'm telling you, it is hard to write with a mouse that's directly on a laptop like this. I need like my own singular mouse that I could use. Just to recap how to read this, the whole number comes first, so 5, then you would say and let's review the place value. So this is the tenths place, the hundredths, the thousandths, and now we have the 10,000ths place. So that would read as 5 and 8,985 10,000ths. Okay, moving over to the next problem. It is going to be 2 to the right here and 2 to the right here. So again, I need to write out a 4 and circle it. Help me remember what do I need to do at the end. And if that helps you, then do it. So using my turtle head strategy, that's going to be 6 times 2 is 12. Regroup. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 more is 25. And regroup. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 2 more, 44. Alright, put the collar, lay the egg, cross off the 2 we regrouped from earlier, and repeat the step. 1 times 2, 1 times 4, and 1 times 7 is the exact same number. Okay, now I need to put the collar and lay 2 eggs. And we're getting close. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Regroup. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 more is 22. Okay, these are partial products, so I need to add them. 2 plus nothing is 2. 5 and 2 makes 7, plus nothing more is still 7. I would take the 4 and the 6 to make 10, and then add 4 more. So 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. Need to regroup. 7 and 4 makes 11, plus 1 more makes 12, plus 2 more makes 14. Regroup. 2 and 1 makes 3. And 2 just drops down. There's nothing to add it to. I need to move it over 4 times, starting all the way to the right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 23. And 4,472. And it's in the 10,000ths place, so that would be my answer. Alright. Hope this was helpful. This is a little bit longer of a video. I try to keep it short and sweet, but you know, sometimes you got to go a little bit longer when it's so many steps in a problem. But hopefully this is helpful to you. I'll see you guys soon. Keep that mama mentality. It's Mr. Lilly signing out.